Hi, I'm Cody from After Hours Mechanical, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil and your coolant. G'day everyone and welcome back. Now, your oil and your coolant are the two most important fluids that can go into your engine. Without them, it's just going to mean more time in the workshop than what it is out on the road. So today I'm going to show you how to check your oil levels and check your coolant levels and keep that money in your back pocket. Now, the first step is to get your car on nice level ground. What does that mean? It means it's not a good idea to be parking your car on Brown Street in Newcastle. That's right, nice level ground. Now the next step to do is to get the car nice and cold. Now this might be leaving it for a couple of hours, it might mean leaving it overnight. But the main reason I say this is when your car's hot, the coolant is sitting at over 100 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty much boiling water. If that gets on your skin, it's going to do nothing but strip your skin straight off. And because this is a video aimed at beginners, I'd rather everyone get the car nice and cold before diving under the engine bay. So once the car's nice and cold, what we can do is now open the bonnet. And the first thing we want to do is check our coolant. Now, over on this system here, this is the one with a header tank. So it's quite simple to check. All you have to do is check the coolant level on the side of the see-through tank. If it needs topping up, all you have to do is take your cap off, simple screw off cap, top it up with water, and then put your cap on nice and tight. Now, if your car doesn't have that system, what you'll have is a radiator cap, which this one can be found right here. All you have to do is a similar scenario, just push down on the cap, turn, and pull it up. And that way you can top up the water as need be. Put your cap back on, turn it, and your coolant's nice and checked. Now we've got the coolant all nice, cold and checked, that's perfect. We can start to move on to the oil. Now for the oil, what you usually have to do is keep the car warm. And this might be after a short period of driving or a quick startup. If you're following this procedure, what I recommend to do, just turn the car on for 5 minutes, let it run and idle, and then you can turn it off. Alright, we've got the car nice and warm so we can go off and check what the oil level's like. Now first step, locate your dipstick. It's usually by a yellow handle just near in front of the engine, around the engine bay area. Then what you have to do is grab yourself a clean rag. Now my rag of choice is a Manly t-shirt because let's face it, no one in Newcastle likes Manly anyways. Now you've got your rag, now all you have to do is grab onto your dipstick and pull it up slightly. Don't pull it all the way out yet. Grab your rag, wrap it around the dipstick, and then just slowly pull it up, wiping all the oil off the dipstick. Once you've done that, slide it back in, and then slowly pull it out. Now it might be a bit hard to see, but this is what the end of the dipstick looks like. You've got your crosshatch pattern, and also you've got your low mark. Some sticks do vary depending on the type of car, but what you ultimately want is to have the oil level, just like this one, a little bit over or on the cross match. If it's a bit down, you do need to top it up. Now if your oil level is low, it's as simple as topping it up, and all you need to do is top it up via the engine oil cap. So that's as simple as what we were with the header tank earlier. Unscrew the cap and top it up as need be. And then you simply just put the cap back on and you're good to go. Now as for which type of engine oil you should be topping your car up with, it really all depends on what type of car you own. And I could make a separate video about all the ins and outs of oil, which would be long and boring and no one's going to listen to anyways. So to make it easier for you, if you drop a comment below, I'll be able to research what oil is recommended for your car, have a talk about what's going on, and hopefully get you on your way. And there you have it guys, all the ins and outs of how to check your oil and your coolant. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to either like, follow or subscribe to my channels. I'll be coming out with as many videos as possible to keep you guys on the road.